classes. Now we discuss the chapter of second, magnet effect of electric current. We have discussed various types of fields that is to be related here, and now we discuss earth magnetic field or various types of earth magnetic field. The previous chapter we have discussed earth magnetism. That magnetism is to be related at earth magnetism. Earth magnetism. In the previous chapter we have discussed earth magnetism. How the earth magnetism is created and how the magnetism is produced inside the basic theory we have discussed in the previous lectures. So we have to consider the earth, and this earth has two axes like that. This axis is called geographical north pole and this is called geographical south pole. In the previous discussion we have to discuss here, there are two axes, geographical north pole and geographical south pole, and this is equator. The magnet is placed, the bar magnet is placed inside the earth, and this is a bar magnet, this is to be placed inside, and this has a south pole and this has a north pole. It is to be assumed that bar magnet a bar magnet which is to be placed inside the earth, and we have to see that the magnetic field that is to be produced by earth is like that. And this is our south pole. So all the magnetic field lines is entering this pole, and this is our north pole, and the magnetic field lines is moving like that. And inside the magnets, it travels from south pole. This is the discussions of earth magnetism we have to discuss in the previous lectures. These are the magnetic field lines. We have to know what is the reason behind the earth magnetism. So here the earth contains three regions. First region is called core. Second region to be, this is the core part, after that mantle and after that crust. There are three parts inside the earth: core, mantle and crust. The heavy metal that is to be inside the earth and thus goes into four parts. Heavy metals, that is like Fe, nickel and cobalt. These are the heavy metals, and these heavy metals stay inside the core part of the earth. When the temperature and pressure of the core part is so very high, so heavy metals get ionized emissions. Here we can say that heavy metal like Fe, nickel and cobalt, when temperature and pressure of core part is very high, and this get ionized, and ionized means this is a charge conditions. Due to the rotation of the earth, due to the rotation of earth, charge moves, and if charge is moving, then magnetic field created. Magnetic field produced. That is the basic region of the earth magnetism here. This is the basic configurations how the magnetic field is created inside the earth. This is the basic concept. Heavy metal goes inside the core, and the temperature of the core parts is very high and pressure is also high. Then the heavy metals get completely ionized in nature, and this is to be ionization means this is the particles to be get highly charged, and due to the rotation of the earth, because the earth is rotating continuously about the geographical law. This is the continuously rotation, and the charge is also rotating back. There are the charges that is to be placed on the surface of the earth, and this is to be completely rotated, and due to the rotation magnetic field is produces, and that magnetic field is the region of earth magnetism. That is the basic region, so we have to describe it here. So now, we have to remember the basic concepts of earth magnetism, and each and every point on the earth's surface is a variable magnetic field. It means we can say that the magnetic field is varies point to point,